So again, I repeat, I just uploaded this one in your Facebook group page. Okay, so download it now para may copy kayo. So ginawa ko yon kasi may mga steps na kailangan yung balik-balikan. And meron yung iba na like I will let you guys to do it for 5 minutes. Parang i-analyze nyo. So you have to read back kung sakaling hindi mo masyadong na-gets. Anyway, kung na-gets mo naman, then that's good. So for today's topic, we will talk about puzzles. Okay? So there's only two types of puzzles that I've included here. So a logic puzzle and then a can-can puzzle. So first one is a logic puzzle. So what is a logic puzzle? So logic puzzles can be solved by using deductive reasoning and a chart that enables us to display the given information in a visual manner. Okay? So logic puzzle is basically like ano ba? Kasi meron tayong mga graphics puzzles. Like, I don't know if you guys have played this one. Meron tayong mga puzzle bubble, yung mga ganun. So, maraming klase kasi ng puzzle eh. So, hindi rin ako masyadong familiar, pero sobrang daming klase ng puzzle. Pero, meron yung sa kanila mostly graphics. Yung iba naman may mga text, yung iba naman mga numbers. So, halo-halo. Okay. So, sa logic puzzles, it's only comprised of words. Okay? And then mostly in logic puzzle, okay, we use deductive reasoning to solve it. Okay? And then mostly in logic puzzle, okay, so gumagamit tayo ng chart. Okay? So, depende sa'yo kung anong chart yung gagamitin mo. Pero dito, pwedeng table chart, okay, para ma-display mo yung mga given information. Alright? So, okay, so yun lang naman ang about sa logic puzzle. And ito na yung example. Okay, kung ano ba talaga yung logic puzzle. So as you can see right here, we have like a certain situation. So each of 4 neighbors, Sian, Maria, Sarah, and Brian has a different occupation. So one of them is an editor, the other one is a banker, another one is a chef, and then the last one is a dentist. So all of them have their own specific jobs. Okay, na kakaiba. So from the following clues, determine the occupation of each neighbor. So the puzzle here is we're going to figure out which it's which. So ano ba talaga yung job ni Sian? Ano yung job ni Maria? Ano yung job ni Sarah? And so on and so forth. Okay? But of course, we won't be able to figure out which is which if we don't have a clues or a lead. Okay? So imagine yourself as an investigator, okay, or as CIA agent. So you're trying to figure out, let's say, like you're 80% sure that the killer is the dentist. So right now, we don't know who is the dentist. Could be Sian, Maria, Sarah, or Brian. So, of course, you need clues for you to be able to figure out which is which, okay? So we have 4 clues here, as you can see. So the first one is Maria gets home from work after the banker but before the dentist. So from here, we already get 2 major lead. Like Maria is not a banker nor a dentist because Maria gets home from work after the banker and then before the dentist. Okay. Second one, Sarah, who is the last to get home from work, is not the editor. So from here, you already know that Sarah is not a banker, okay, and then not an editor because banker always goes home early. And then in clue number 2, Sarah, who is the last to get home from work, is not the editor. So you already know that Sarah is the last one to get home. Okay. And then she is not also an editor. And then the third one is the dentist and Sarah leave for work at the same time. So from clue number 3, so we already know that Sarah is not a dentist. So because they leave at the same time. Okay. So from there, we already got a lot of clues to identify which is which. So by having this last clue, you must already have figured out one of them. Okay, like dapat alam mo na kung ano yung position ng isa sa kanila. So malalaman mo kung ano yun. So the banker lives next door to Brian. So the very clue here is while you're near to the last clue, you must have already solved at least one. Okay? So parang ini-imply ko dapat na-maximize nyo na kung sino ba talaga yung isa na to. Okay? So hindi natin alam, baka si Sian, banker na siya, si Maria, dentist na siya, and so on and so forth. Kasi kapag wala pa kayo na-figure out, okay, and then natapos nyo na lahat ng clues, like for example, all of them, this is still like two remaining options. Like Maria could be a banker or a chef, Sarah could be a dentist or an editor, and then ano pa ba? Sino pa? Brian is either an editor or a banker or a chef, and then Brian is either a banker or a chef. So pag ganun yung nangyari, okay, wala pa rin kayo na figure out. So just go back to clue number 1. Okay, may na-miss kayong part na let's say, yun, parang hindi naman na-miss. Siguro na miscalculate or na misunderstood nyo, okay? Kasi dapat, supposedly, pagkatapos ng clue number 4, meron ng isa or dalawa kayo natapos. Okay, na-figure out nyo na kung sino to, sino may job dito, sino may job dito, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, I'll give you guys 5 to 7 minutes, okay, para i-figure out kung kaninong job ba tong editor, banker, chef, or dentist. So take note, dapat may sagot kayo sa 4, hindi lang 2, okay? Dapat hindi missing yung 2. Dapat na-figure out nyo lahat, okay? Using this 4 major clues. Kasi kung hindi nyo na-solve using these 4 major clues, then sorry na lang kasi nandito yon, kompleto na to eh. Okay. So you can use a table, okay, to eliminate kung ito hindi na siya banker. So it's up to you. You can use your own techniques or ways on how to figure out which is which. Okay? So time starts now. I'll give you guys 5 to 7 minutes to do this one. So, yung mga hindi pa bumabangon, okay, like nakahiga, and then parang ina-analyze mo lang using your own mind. If you can solve this one without using a paper and then a pencil, so congratulations. You may be a genius, okay? Like, pwede ka maging inspector. Inspector ba tawag din? Pwede ka maging investigator, okay, or great CIA agent. So this is like what they use to track down which is which, or who is really the suspect is. Okay, so kailangan nila ng lead, kailangan nila ng mga clues para mapatunayan na ito nga siya. Siya yung suspect. Siya yung killer. May nagtatry ba? Or yung iba naglalaro?
Nagtatry.
That's good. So yung iba, okay, if wala ka sa mood, let's say kasi kagigising lang, I highly suggest that you grab your coffee already. Kasi mas magandang may laman na yung tiyan para mas makapag-isip ka ng diretso. Okay, mahirap mag-isip pag gutom. Alright, so last 3 minutes. So let me know if you already have your answers.
Sir, meron na po ako.
All right, so would you
Try,
please
sir.
put that in a chat box? Isend mo sa chat para makita namin. And so that we can also have a basis later on if you got the correct answer. So some of you answered that Maria is a chef or Maria is the editor. So we'll see what is really her job. So coming from Mr. Monroy, so Sarah is the chef and then Maria is the editor. Cian is banker and then Brian is the dentist. You see? So it seems that most of your answers agree with each other. Sarah banker, Cian dentist, and then Brian is the editor. All right, so time is up. Okay, so just keep your answers for now. Okay, so we'll see whether your answers are correct or no. Okay, so here's the solution. So coming from clue number 1, Maria is not the banker or the dentist. So in the following chart, write X1, which stands for ruled out by clue number 1 in the banker and the dentist columns of Maria's row. Okay, so just basically, you're just crossing out that Maria is not the banker or not a dentist anymore, since we already know that from clue number 1. That is why we'll also have number 1 next beside X. Okay, so X1 means it is being ruled out by clue number 1. Okay, so we have 2X, so Maria could be an editor or a chef. Okay, and then coming from clue number 2, Sarah is not the editor. So from there, you could cross that one out already. And then you should write here X2 because this one is ruled out by clue number 2. So in the editor column of Sarah's row, so we know from clue 1 that banker is not the last to get home. And we know from clue that Sarah is the last to get home. Therefore, Sarah is not the banker. So write X2 in the banker column of Sarah's row. So from here, write another X or X2 below the banker and Sarah. Okay, since you already know that Sarah is not an editor nor a banker. So there's two possibilities. Sarah could be a chef or a dentist. Okay. And then clue number 3. Okay. So Sarah is not the dentist. So from here, Sarah is not the dentist. So just put here X3 because this one is ruled out by clue number 3. Okay. And then as you can see, we were still in clue number 3, but we were already answered one, or we already figure out, okay, one of the jobs of those 4 people. Like Sarah, here is already the chef because it's, she's not an editor, she's not a banker, and she's not a dentist. Okay, coming from clue number 2 and then clue number 3. So, of course, since that's the only available job for her, then let's check that one. Okay? So, ano lang naman, hindi mo na kailangang sagutan muna yung iba. Okay? So, pwedeng ito na muna. So, as you can see right here, now we know that Sarah is the chef. Like, we are 100% sure that Sarah is the chef. Then we should rule out the other boxes. Like, Sian is not a chef. Maria is not also a chef. Brian is not also a chef because Sarah is already the chef. Okay, so this one is coming from clue number 3 also. So you can just put here X3, X3, and then X3. All right. And then one more thing. Okay. Let's go back here. Yeah. So one more thing, as you can see right here, as we all know, Sarah is already the chef. Okay, from clue number 2. So just put here X3, right? And then from here, we've already learned that Maria is now the editor. Okay? Because since it's the only open job we're sure that Maria is not the banker, not the chef, and then not the dentist. And then for sure, Maria now is the editor. Okay, so just put a check in here. And then from here also, since we already know that Maria is the editor, so we have to cross out the others. Like Sian is not an editor. And Brian is not also an editor because, of course, as we all know, again, all of them have 4 specific jobs. Okay, or 4 different jobs. Okay. So from clue number 3, the remaining 2 is Sian and then Brian. So Sian could be a banker or a dentist. Brian could be a banker or a dentist. So either of those two. Now, going to clue number 4. Okay, from clue number 4, Brian is not the banker. So if Brian is not the banker, so just put here X4. Okay. And then since we already know that Brian is not the banker, then the only remaining job for him is being a dentist. So now we know that Brian is a dentist. So we are now sure that Sian is not a dentist. So from here, we could say that Sian now is the banker since it's the only job remaining for him. All right. So there you go. From clue number 1 to clue number 4, we were able to figure out which is which. So Sian is the banker, and then Maria is the editor, and then Sarah is the chef, and then Brian is the dentist. So did you guys have the same answers?
Yes, sir.
Sarah is the chef, Maria is the editor, Sian is the banker. Yeah. Congratulations to those who got the correct answers. So I would like to congratulate to those, okay, who had or who got the correct answers. Like you must have a talent when it comes to figuring out which is which. Okay, so pwede kayo mag-apply as, I don't know, ano bang tawag, inspector? I'm not really sure, like the detective or a police agent, parang ganun. Like, mga magaling mag-solve ng kaso. Parang Detective Conan, parang ganun. Okay? In just less than 5 to 7 minutes or within 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? So, sa mga hindi naman nakasunod, like feeling mo ang gulo-gulo, ang hirap, okay. Okay lang yan. Kailangan mo lang siguro magkape para magising yung utak mo para mas makapag-isip ka ng tama. Kasi syempre, nag-a-analyze ka na dito eh. So, inaalam mo kung paano ba. So, you're using your critical thinking, your common sense, and then your great analysis, of course. So, a good thing in this topic is all you need to use is your own mind. So, you don't need a formula. You don't need anything actually. So, pwedeng yung utak mo lang, pencil, and then papel. And that's it. So, as long as you have your own ways to figure out which is which, then okay na yun. Okay. All right, so as expected, right after this example, you're going to have a very similar short quiz. Okay. So, quiz and logic puzzle. So, the same thing, it's just a different name. Brianna, Ryan, Tyler, and Ashley were recently elected as the new class officers. So one of them is a president, one of them is a vice president, the other one is a secretary, and then the last one is a treasurer. Okay, so same question. So figure out which is which. So ano bang job, ano bang position ni Brianna? She the president? She the vice president? She the secretary or treasurer? So kailangan mo alamin yung mga yan, okay? Of the sophomore class at Summit College, from the following clues determine which position each holds. So you only have 3 clues here. So from there, you must be able, okay, to figure out which is which or what is the position of this person, and so on and so forth, okay? So 3 clues only. So I will leave this one to you guys. So just check the canvas later on for you to be able to answer this one. Okay? Bale, same lang din naman. You can use like this same method para ma-figure out mo kung ano ba yung position ni Ashley. Brianna, and so on and so forth. Okay? So before we proceed to the next one, do you guys have a question or a clarification regarding with our example and regarding with our quiz?
Yan po.
Alright, so what about the others? May part bang hindi clear dito sa example or magulo ba? Don't be shy to say your concern. Kasi okay lang naman eh. Hindi naman ako magagalit. I don't get mad. So, it's better kapag naging honest ka at least, di ba? Meaning you're willing to learn. Like you're very eager, like you want to know the answer right now. Okay. Iba kasi, like, okay, sige, hindi ko naintindihan. So, para tuloy-tuloy yung flow ng klase, sige, babalikan ko na lang mamaya after mag-discuss ni sir. Pero ang pangit kasi doon, let's say, yung hindi mo naintindihan na part is kailangan para sa entire presentation na yun. So, parang after nun, kakaisip mo kung ano yung sagot doon, hindi ka mapakali, hindi ka makapag-settle. Kasi nga, hindi mo alam, hindi mo na-figure out kung bakit ganon. Parang naguguluhan ka. So, parang nakafocus ka na lang doon. Okay? Hindi ka na nag-focus sa mga next topics or hindi ka na makapag-focus kahit gustuin mo man kasi naguguluhan ka pa rin doon sa iniisip mo. So, mas magandang na-clear up na lahat bago mag-proceed sa next one. Diba? Parang sobrang hirap naman. Pa-proceed ka sa step number 2, step number 3 and 4, hanggang step number 10 pa pala, pero na-stuck ka na sa step number 1 or 2. So, hindi yun magandang pangitaan kasi parang sayang na yung oras mo sa susunod pang mga topics. So, any question?
Okay na po, sir. Nasagutan ko na po, sir.
Alright, so if none of you has a question, so feel free to ask me soon kung nagkaroon man kayo man ng problema. Alright? So the next topic is can-can puzzle. Alright? So before we start with can-can puzzle, is there anyone here who knows how to solve a Sudoku puzzle?
Opo.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or let me rephrase my question. Tapos ko lang, mali yata. Is there anyone here who doesn't know how to play? I mean, doesn't know how to solve Sudoku puzzle?
Sir.
So, Miss Cario, you've never played Sudoku puzzle? Pwede nga, di ako naniniwala. Kasi, I mean,
Nasubukan, sir, pero hindi, sir, ako parang fan na gawin siya, sir.
hindi naman yun hindi naman yung question ko. So, ang sabi ko lang, like, you're completely clueless when it comes to Sudoku. So, I don't know, from Mr. Domingo. So, sabi niya, ako, sir. So, I'm not sure if so completely he doesn't have an idea how to solve a Sudoku puzzle. But I think most of us or most of you has an idea, or most of you maybe is an expert when it comes to solving a Sudoku puzzle. Okay? So to those who are, being or are fond of solving Sudoku puzzle, so congratulations, because Can-Can puzzle is super similar with Sudoku puzzle. It's just that, maybe Can-Can puzzle is a little bit harder. Just a little bit harder than Sudoku puzzle. Alright? So, we now only have 1 minute. Okay. So, we will continue this one on part 2. Okay. So, again, wait 5 to 7 minutes since I need to convert this pre-recorded video into MP4. Okay. So, again, na-upload ko na to dun sa Facebook group page natin. So, just download that one para kung sakaling natatagalan ka or paano ba? Gusto mo mag-advance reading, gano'n na lang. So, yan, feel free to browse hanggang sa pinakadulo. Okay? So hanggang doon na lang muna. Then see you later on after 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so goodbye for now. Just wait my second link for the part 2.